Just on site here at the site in Watford, we've got, and the builder Kevin here from
Ashford Refurbishment Services.
Lovely. Great work, guys. Sorry for stopping you from working whilst we were chatting. We've gone over the drawings, discussed the invert levels, because on this site we are lowering the internal floor level. That's the existing house, and we're taking it down to about that level here. There, so it's about 470 lower than the ground level, so that we can have flush level with the garden there. So a lot of digging and setting out work to be discussed, including the steel setting out. We've got a great big box frame going in here, 8 meters wide, and it's going to sit on this foundation footing, and we've got to make sure there is enough space so that we could get the floor in above that. So yeah, good work.